Hey, I'm Dallas Tung with Keller Williams Luxury. Are you looking for a new construction home, but you don't want to wait a year or a year and a half for it? Well, behind me, we have a 3-bed, a 4-bathroom, office, 3,600 square foot, Toll Brothers at the Peaks build in Mesa Ridge. Where's Mesa Ridge? Mesa Ridge is on the south part of Summerlin. It's a guard-gated community and it's listed for $2.7 million. So if you're looking for a new construction home, just take a look inside and all right, so if you like what you see here, reach out to me, or if you want to see something else, reach out to me as well. Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. Thanks. Hey, I'm Dallas Tung with Keller Williams Luxury Insurance. Are you guys looking for new construction, but you don't want to wait? Well, behind me, I have a 3-bedroom,